How to fix alarm no sound in Realme P3. So let's start the video. First of all, open clock app and turn on your silence alarm. After turn on your silence alarm, then click on alarm and then click on ringtone. If you select a none option, then select our default option. After that, go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option clock. Now click on it and here you can clear the storage usage. Now click on it and then here you can clear the cache and data of clock. After clear data and cache of clock, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.